Hello and welcome to SAP Learning Academy and welcome to this tutorial. In this SQL tutorial, I'm going to tell you about the data type conversion function in SQL. Sometimes it is important to convert the data type. Suppose you are having a data type called time and you want to convert it into timestamp. Sometimes it is important to convert the data type in order to have the correct join in your SQL. So I will be showing you some of the important data type function available in SQL so that you can easily understand how to convert the data type. And one of the popular data type function that is casting. Cast. So if you just let me show you that function is cast. I will also give you some more example other than cast so that you can easily understand. So and in this cast it returns the target data type, like if you declare as integer or even decimal or double or n varchar, date time. So all these supported data type are going to be supported in cast. Suppose let me give you an example. Suppose you want to uh, cast. So let me write a small SQL statement here, and how you will learn it how to write this casting function. So in this example, what you can see that the 7 generally is an integer and I want to convert into varchar. And let me just execute this one, and if I execute that, so this 7, the data will be 7, but still its data type has changed into varchar. Or let me give you one more example in this integer type. Suppose you have 10.5, so it is a decimal value, right? And you want to convert into integer, suppose. And now if I execute this function, so what is going to happen? Let's see. So look, now it has changed to the decimal point has been removed. Now the data is changed to 10. So it is important that so now I think you're understanding the use of the casting function. And we have more data type function in the SQL. Let me quickly give you some of the example of those. Like we have example like to alpha num. Suppose you want to convert into to alpha num, so you can use this operator alpha. And suppose you want to convert into to big init, like you want to convert into big init function, or you want to convert into to binary or to blob and to clock also, and to date time and those things. So like if I give you an example of to date now, okay, let's give you an example of to date. So you want to convert into to date function, okay. So I will be writing one SQL here, one select statement. So in order to understand this two SQL part, so let me write this select. Suppose you want to convert like, and you have a value like this. Suppose 2010 01 12, okay, and you want to convert like, and this is a YY. So let me write in caps MMDD, okay, and to date. So if I now execute this statement, so this data will be changed to date function, like you can see that. So its value has been changed like this. So it is important to know this function. And similar to that, we have more function like dates function, right? Those also you can learn in SQL. So basically I wanted to tell about these functions. So I hope you have learned very well, understood about the conversion types. So thank you for watching this tutorial. Please have a look into my other tutorials. I have given the link in the video description. Thank you. Please have a nice day.